Welcome to Infotania, the first and the most authentic information provider in Pakistan. This video covers the Amazon business model, specifically defined by Infotania. Introduction. The trade name is Amazon and it was formerly known as Cadabra.inc in the year 1994 and 1995. It is a public organization and is traded as Nasdaq. The industry that it covers includes cloud computing, e-commerce, artificial intelligence, consumer electronics, digital distribution, and self-driving cars. It was founded on July 5, 1994, 26 years ago in Washington, US. It is headquartered in Seattle. The area it serves is considered to be worldwide. The products that are included in Amazon are Echo, Fire Tablet, Fire Television, Fire Operating System, and Kindle. The services it caters are Amazon.com, Amazon Alexa, Amazon App Store, Amazon Music, Amazon Prime Video, Amazon Web Services, etc. The revenue generated as of 2019 is 280.522 billion US dollars. The operating income is 14.541 billion US dollars as of 2019. The net income is 11.588 billion dollars as of 2019. The total assets are 225.248 billion US dollars as of 2019. The number of employees are 8,40,400 as of 2020. The subsidiaries of Amazon are A9.com, Abby Books, Amazon Air, Alexa Internet, Amazon Books, Amazon Game Studios, Amazon Lab 126, Amazon Logistics.inc, Amazon Publishing, Amazon Robotics, Amazon Studios, Audible, Body Labs, AWS, Book Depository, etc. The official website is www.amazon.com. Amazon.com is an American multinational technology company based in Seattle that focuses on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. It has been referred to as one of the most influential economic and cultural forces in the world, as well as the world's most valuable brands. Amazon is known for its disruption and well-established industries through technological innovation and mass scale. It is the world's largest online marketplace, artificial intelligence assistant provider, live streaming platform, and cloud computing platform as measured by revenue and market capitalization. Amazon is the largest internet company by revenue in the world. It is the second largest private employer in the US and one of the world's most valuable companies. It was founded by Jeff Bezos in Washington on July 5, 1994. The company started as an online marketplace for books, but expanded to sell electronics, softwares, video games, apparel, furniture, food, toys, and jewelry. In 2015, Amazon surpassed Walmart as the most valuable retailer in the US by market capitalization. In 2018, Bezos announced that its two-day delivery service Amazon Prime has surpassed 100 million subscribers worldwide. Now let's see what the business model of Amazon states. It is often touted as the world's largest online retailer. Amazon operates a business model with many moving parts. First and foremost, the company sells goods directly. A percentage of products are offered to buyers through Amazon's online storefront with a small markup, and inventory is kept in the company's large network of warehouses. Most consumers visit the company's site assuming its products are less expensive and readily available for purchase and shipping. In addition to direct sales, Amazon provides a platform for other retailers to sell products to buyers. Products sold through Amazon's partner retailers are often less common items or those with a higher purchase price, allowing Amazon to avoid holding slow-moving inventory that could dilute profits. While Amazon does not assess a fee for its retailer partners to list items for sale, the company does retain a portion of the sales price as commission. Amazon also maintains a subscription-based business model. Repeating again, Amazon maintains a subscription-based business model through its Amazon Prime service as well as a small electronics product line under a Prime account. Customers pay an annual fee to secure free 2-day or same-day shipping on eligible items and have access to streaming media such as digital movies or music. Amazon also generates revenue from its e-reader, the Kindle, and the e-book and mobile application purchases offered only to Kindle owners. The business model canvas of Amazon.com. The key partners are sellers, authors, publishers, and logistics service providers. The key activities include merchandising, development, design and optimization, manage supply chain and logistics, and secure and build partnerships. The key resources are fulfillment centers, technological infrastructure, and online platforms. Value propositions are achieved by competitive pricing, selection of goods, convenience, and fast delivery system. The customer relationships are maintained by reviews and comments, customer service that includes phone calls, online chat system, and emails. The channels are Amazon's official website and applications and affiliate programs. The customer segments are anyone with internet connection, somebody who's looking for convenience of e-commerce and faster delivery. The cost structure is driven by technology, operations of fulfillment centers, customer service centers, and software development. The revenue systems are generated by Amazon Prime subscription fee, commissions, and transaction fees. This was all for Amazon. I hope you liked the video, and I hope that the Amazon structure of business is quite clear. Please do subscribe to Infotania for further videos like this. Also like and share.